Good morning. A while back I went to Harbor Freight and bought item number 41720, which is heat shrink wrap. So it comes in a lot of different sizes, very small, maybe a medium, and this is about as large as it gets. Now they sell this in various assortments. I'm thinking it's all going to work the same. It's a pretty basic concept. You take this and you cut off however long you need. You then slip this over the wires. It just so happens I went and picked up this Drill Master heat gun for $8.99 on sale. I bought it around Thanksgiving, but I see it all the time for $8.99. And it's a pretty decent heat gun, and it does a good job of doing the heat shrink. Now, I do a lot of electronics, so I use a good little bit of this. I also fix my own power tools, so I use a good bit of this. So I bought a couple of these, and I haven't even used half of them. But to me, they're a very good option for dressing up cable splices. I recently built a dummy load for QRP radio, and I used it on that. I'll show that segment so you can see how it works. Okay, I like this one just a tiny bit better because I could put shrink wrap over that. And it's got various sizes. Okay, I want to do this one first, so I've got to get something at least as big as the resistor to let it go on. There's a little burr there that's going to keep that from going on right. Hope that takes care of it. There we go. Now that only goes up to there, so I can cut that off. Actually, I'll go a little bit more to try to seal that end. That's looking good. Okay, so that looks pretty good. It's a little loose down at the top and bottom, but it only shrinks so much. I'm convinced I would burn that plastic before it melted anymore. Now, around the components, it actually looks pretty good. It's a little tacky. It's like an industrial strength hairdryer. So that's about all it's going to get. It did great around the cable. It did great up around these components, but it didn't close at the very top. The shrink wrap worked really well. I'd like to have a larger size, but don't blame them for that. So there we go. Shrink wrap works pretty good. You can get like 8 feet of this for $1.90 right now, 4 different sizes. I'll pick those up and then do a separate review on those. So if you like the videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.